Alright, let's talk about something super practical. Top 3 use cases for LinkedIn Profile Scraper. If you've ever tried to go through LinkedIn manually, you know how painful it is. Profile after profile, copy-pasting details. It takes forever. That's where scraping comes in. People call it LinkedIn data extraction, or sometimes an instant data scraper. Basically a shortcut to grab all that public info in seconds. So, what can you actually do with it? Here are the top 3 use cases. Number 1. Lead generation. This is the big one. With a scraper plugged into LinkedIn lead generation software, you can instantly build a list of potential customers, titles, industries, company size, all neatly organized. Instead of guessing who to reach out to, you've got a solid list ready for your next campaign. Number 2. Recruiting. Hiring managers love this. Combine a scraper with a LinkedIn automation tool, and you can spot great candidates way faster. Need a data engineer in New York with Python skills? Boom. In a few clicks, you've got a short list instead of scrolling for hours. Number 3. Market and competitor. Research. This one's underrated. Using LinkedIn data extraction, you can keep an eye on what your competitors are up to, who they're hiring, what teams are growing, which skills are trending in your industry. It's like having a window into the market's next moves. Now, quick reality check. Scraping comes with limits. LinkedIn has rules, and if you go too hard, you risk restrictions. That's why a lot of people use trusted APIs and professional tools. Makes life easier and keeps accounts safe. So yeah, those are the top 3 use cases for LinkedIn Profile Scraper: lead generation, recruiting, and market insights. 3 simple ways to turn LinkedIn data into real opportunities.